Let's have a look at the students' learning outcomes. After completing this unit, students will be able to predict a story by looking at the pictures in the text, comprehend asked questions about the given pictures, read aloud the given text of the story, respond to the text post-reading to express how they take the story, comprehend and respond to simple questions, recognize and articulate hard and soft sounds of the letter C, pronounce and identify the hard and soft sounds of the letter C, use appropriate expressions in conversation to articulate, recognize, and respond to simple instructions and directions. Retell a story in a few simple sentences. Locate, identify, differentiate between, and use some simple pairs of words, including homophones. Creatively comprehend the text from the book and pen down it in their own words. Identify and differentiate between vowel letters and sounds. Pronounce and identify words that have long U, I, E sound. Predict what follows in the text using context. Read tables and charts in the classroom. Use textual aids such as table of contents to locate a particular text. Utilize effective study skills, for example, brainstorming for ideas. Enhance the vocabulary with the words with long vowel sounds from the text. Complete the missing letters in correct order to make words having long vowel sounds. Provide the missing letters in simple 2 or 3 syllable words. Organize vocabulary items learnt in the class according to the selected organizing principles, such as arranging words in alphabetical order and parts of speech. Make anagrams from simple one-syllable words. Recall substitution words learnt earlier. Recognize substitution words as pronouns. Identify and use pronouns in sentences. Show possession by using the pronouns mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, theirs after the nouns. Recognize and use words my, your, his, her, its, our, their before nouns to show possession. Familiarize themselves with the dictionary in preparation for its use. Identify correct meanings of words by using dictionary. Describe a picture in their own words.